Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share two websites with you. Both websites are indexable websites. Both websites are indexed websites which I have collected from my Google Search Console account. One website is nofollow website and other website is dofollow website. So you will get a good amount of traffic from both websites, and you can also use these websites to index your other backlinks as well. So let's start today's video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share my video with your SEO friends and blogger friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start today's video. So first, website's domain authority is 43 and spam score is only 7% spam score, but it is 100% indexable website, and creating backlink on this website is really very easy. On the top bar right hand side, you can see we have a registration option. Just click on the register button, and then this form will be open and you need to fill out this very basic information. So let's fill out this information. So you can see we have filled out all the necessary details, and let's click on this button. Let's go. We have successfully registered on this website, and a verification email has been sent on our email ID. So we now just need to click on this confirm email address, and now we have logged in on our website. Okay, then now you need to upload here your logo, or you can upload your photo, or you can upload any AI generated photo also, or you can click on skip this step for now. But filling out each and every detail will give a very good boost on your profile. Okay, then you can also need to fill your first name, last name, country and date of birth, and then continue, save and continue. Okay, but for now I'm clicking on skip this step for now. Okay, and you can follow any 20 persons also from here, or but for now I
have new notification on videos.
Skip this step for now. So this is the dashboard of our website where we are going to create a backlink. So here you will get one referring domain and multiple backlinks. So you can create backlink by inserting your URL in the profile section. So here's our username is reflecting, so just click here and click on journal setting option. Then on the right side, okay, you will see profile settings. Then you can paste your website link here. You can also fill out your about section. So let's complete it. So I am creating backlinks for my YouTube channel, so I have pasted my YouTube channel link here, and
you have new notification on videos.
Filled out about section also. You can fill out your first name, last name and all these things, and click on the save option. Okay, so our profile is completed. So let's see.
You have new notification on videos.
So now I will click on my profile. So now here you can see I have achieved my backlink. So checking do follow, no follow, this backlink is 100% no follow. Okay, so here I have achieved one backlink, and will create one more backlink by sharing some information here also. Okay, so I have pasted a small description here, and again copying my YouTube channel link and pasted here. Okay, and then click on share button. So here you will achieve no follow backlinks, but these are all 100% indexable, so you can use it as a tool for index your other backlinks also. So this is the one of the best website you can use for today. Okay, so you can create multiple backlinks here by adding your videos, your text, your photos, your audio files, and you can create multiple type of backlinks here and try to achieve a good amount of organic traffic. And the name of the website you can see here, vvoice.com. voice.com is our first contextual website link name. Second website's domain authority, you can see 29, and spam score is only 8%. So this is also a 100% indexable website. Creating backlink is also very easy on this website. On the top bar right hand side we have a register button option, so just click on the register button and then you can see this form. Just fill out this form very quickly. So I have filled out this form and now clicking on let's go button. So now I'm logged on this website automatically. You can upload your profile photo here, but for now I'm clicking on skip this step for now. And same like previous website, you can fill out all this information, first name, last name, country, birth date, but I'm clicking on skip for this step now. But you have to complete your whole profile very thoroughly so that you can get much advantage. So now you need to follow 20 persons from here, but I'm again clicking on skip this step for now. Now here you can see there is a your profile logo, you can see here it is reflecting, and now you need to click here and click on edit option and fill out all these necessary details. Okay, so my main focus is on inserting my YouTube channel link. So I have copied my YouTube channel and pasted it here, and also filling out this about section. So copied my about section and fill it out here, and you can fill out your first name, last name. Okay, now click on the save option. Okay, now I'm checking my profile link. So you can see I have achieved my backlink here, and this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so on this website also you will achieve one referring domain and multiple backlinks. Okay, so the backlinks which will you create here will also be a do follow backlink. So let's check it out very quickly. So I have pasted my description here and again my YouTube channel link here, and then clicking on share button and just no, it is no follow backlinks. So in the profile you will get do follow backlink, and other backlinks will be no follow backlinks, but these all are 100% indexable backlinks. So you need to be very active on this platform as well, so you can share all your backlinks here and they will get indexed also. The name of the website you can see stormster.com. Stormster.com is our second do follow contextual website's name.